What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Famous Scenery back with another video, and today I'm doing a video. Cause I know a lot of people be getting hold on. Yeah, man, you see the fresh retwist? So I know a lot of people be getting their fresh retwist and everything. They wanna know how to keep their retwist looking fresh. You know how to keep their hair looking, like this. How to keep it looking clean and maintenance, giving out some things to avoid when you're getting your retwist or when you have your hair retwisted already and you want to keep it looking fresh, and keep it long lasting. So let's get straight into the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, y'all, a few things you want to avoid when you get your retwist and you have your hair freshly retwisted. So if you want to keep your hair looking, long lasting and all that throughout the months, you want to avoid getting your hair wet for a while, When you get your hair retwisted, you should know this already, not to wet your hair, bro. Like, why would you even wet your hair? Now you're just going to loosen your twist and then now just like, you got your hair twisted up for no reason. The thing you want to do is have a bonnet or silk do-rag, a pillowcase, something like that, just like I had on my head just a few minutes ago. You seen it. I had a bonnet on my head, a silky bonnet, so you want to have something like that, something to keep your head nice and protected. You want your head to be protected so your dress is not and your hair is not getting rubbed off everywhere, all over the pillow, all over your mattress, whatever, your sheets, and just gathering up cotton and gathering up, lint and all that stuff in your hair, and you're gonna wash it out later. And it's gonna create frizz. You're gonna get frizz all in your dress if you don't protect your hair throughout the night. That's one of the main things. That's one of the main things you should do when you get your fresh retwist. Another thing you want to do is get you a nice oil. Like I always say, you want a light oil. You don't want no oil that's like crazy thick, something like that. It's like, that's going really like, I don't know. You need something that's good, something that's light, that smells good. You got some nice oil like seeds, something like that. I like the seed oils. I'm not gonna lie, the oils that have the seeds, the seed mixtures in it or everything, whatever. But when you use stuff like that, that helps your hair stay hydrated. You want your hair to stay hydrated throughout the time. So when you're using those light oils and stuff like that, you're helping your hair stay hydrated, but it's also not getting too much for them heavy oils that you would use. So find your nice light oil. Now also, when they give you some tips, or which I want to do, which I address, and about retwisting your hair and getting your hair retwisted, is don't want to get your hair retwisted so often. You feel me? Because if you get your hair retwisted like very often, that creates thinning and your scalp will start to thin. You will get like really thin, like to the point where it could just pull out. You feel me? It's not supposed to be like that. You're supposed to have a nice strong root where your hair continue to grow from. So if you're getting the retwist all the time, you keep twisting and putting that pressure on it, you feel me? It's gonna thin out, bro. At the end of the day, it's gonna start looking like a shrink, bro. You don't want that, right? so like I said, don't be afraid to go extra month or extra 2 months without getting a retwist. Is okay. Just make sure you take care of it. Your hair gotta breathe sometimes, your hair gotta breathe. Like you can't have your hair tied up all day and tighten up all day. Let your hair breathe, let it grow out. So when you actually get a retwist, you see length and progress, and you won't feel like cutting your hair off and cutting your dreads. You feel me? Another thing, you don't want to use too much product. I know I said to find a nice oil and you want to keep your hair hydrated, but you don't want to use too much, because then you just like you overhydrated. It's like a plant. You go overhydrate a plant. You feel me? You could do all that, stretch your scalp out, stretch the plant out, stretch the scalp out. It's the same thing kind of, bro. So you don't want to put too much oil in your hair, then your hair is going to start getting build up. Once I get build up, you get mold, and then your moldiness is going to cause your hair to start falling out. You're going to have to cut it. You feel me? It's just a lot that come with it after the fact if you don't really keep up with the things you're supposed to be doing. So yeah, y'all, just want to try to the best of your ability to keep your hair as safe as possible. Keep it nice, keep it hydrated, keep it, stuff like that. Just keep up with it. It's just pretty easy, bro. It's not that hard. It's simple. Just keep your hair covered, use the right product, use the right material for your hair so your hair is not getting frizzy so fast. I know some people like the frizzy look. Me personally, I like the frizzy look sometimes, but like when I get my fresh retwist, I like to rock the fresh looking look for a little bit, and then once it start getting a little frizzy, it still look good, and then you can take it out, you get the curls. It all comes together. You feel me? It all comes together. You just gotta trust the process. You just gotta wait. So yeah, hope you take those notes in, take your notes, and you did your homework on maintaining your locks throughout the retwist and throughout your fresh retwist and stuff. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Comment down below some more videos and some more tips that I may have missed. I'm gonna see you in the next video.